Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up ZTE Blade A53 Plus for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, and here let's try to find a simple mode. I'm not sure if this one is available, but it would make everything much more simple. So nope, there's no simple mode on this device, so we'll need to change all of the settings manually. And to do this, open the settings again and scroll all the way down and look for accessibility. So it's right here. When we click on it, we can go for the text and display. You'll be able to change the font size to as big as possible, like that. Then the display size, which makes everything bigger, even the text. You can enable bold text, that way all of the text becomes much thicker. There's color correction options, color inversion, which is optional. You can remove animations to reduce motion sickness while using this device, and enable high contrast text to make all of the text much more readable. Now another thing that we can do is magnification, and if you decide to enable it, you'll get this shortcut right here. And when you click on it, you'll be able to magnify anywhere on the screen while orange outlines are visible. If you want to leave it, then simply click on this icon right here or on a loop again. And that is basically all of the settings that we can change to make it more accessible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.